Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my simple and easy elderberry syrup from home. This is a really good immune booster and it's really good for the common cold and flu. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first what you're going to need is some dried elderberries. I got these from my local health food store, some apple cider vinegar, and you're also going to need some raw unfiltered honey. I got this from I think Walmart. You're also going to need some dried cloves, some ground ginger, you can use fresh if you like, also some ground cinnamon, a glass jar with a lid, and you're also going to need a mesh strainer. You can also use like cheesecloth, but this is what I had on hand, and a spatula. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring to a boil the elderberries with some water and all of your spices, and you're going to bring this to a boil. Once you've brought it to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat and let this simmer for about 20 minutes until it reduces by half. So now here you can see how the mixture has reduced and thickened. So what I'm going to do is use a spatula and smash the elderberries to get all the juice out, and then we're going to go ahead and strain it. So I just put the strainer on top of the glass jar, and I'm using the spatula to strain out all the juice and make sure no seeds or anything gets inside. And this is optional, you can use a cheesecloth like I said, but what I have is a strainer. So yeah, I'm just gonna press this out until I have most of the juice squeezed out. So this is what it's going to look like after you've strained out all the seeds. So what I'm going to do now is let this cool for about 20 minutes before I add the honey in, because you never want to add honey to a hot mixture because it kills all the antibacterial properties. So yeah, I'm just going to let this cool for about 20 minutes. So once the syrup has cooled down, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the raw honey. Normally I make way more of the syrup, but I didn't have that many elderberries, so I'm kind of just like eyeballing the ingredients. But I'll have everything with the exact measurements listed down below. And after I have the honey all mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of the ACV, and I just mix that together, and there you go, it's all done. This can last in the refrigerator for up to about 2 months, but we use it way before 2 months ever comes. So yeah, this is really good for colds, flus, a good immune booster. I don't recommend it for babies under the age of 1 just because of the honey in there, so I would say for, ages 1 and up. But if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.